Hey geeks, so for practically the entire life of my channel, I've been using this right here as my computer desk. And for more than 7 years now, this lifetime Walmart picnic table has become my computer desk. And honestly, I don't know why I'm still using it as a computer desk because that was never the intention. And at the time, whenever I was starting my channel, I was just basically using whatever I had available. But with everything else that I've upgraded in my setup, this is the one and really important thing that I should have upgraded a long time ago. And so today, I'm going to be fixing that. So this is the new upgrade and it's from IKEA. Not surprising because so many people love using this for their YouTube studio. And in terms of the table itself, we have something called a mouse kit. And so this at the time cost me about $89. And so this is a great price just for the tabletop. And then for the legs, I got something really simple and inexpensive. I got 4 legs. Each of them were about $7.50. And you could also adjust these as well. And so this is a very simple setup and I didn't want it to be complex. And at the same time, as you see, the whole entire installation of this is going to be super easy. Okay, so let's go ahead and open things up. And when it comes to IKEA furniture, I think, IKEA furniture, for what it's worth, I think it's great value for the money. I really do like their simple, clean designs. And the overall quality is pretty good for what you're getting. And I know for some people, putting together IKEA furniture is not the most fun things, myself included. So that's why I want to get something that is nice and simple. And I actually have this upside down. But this is the bottom of it. And as you see, there was a reason why I got this. Because this mouse kit actually has a nice finish and it's fairly heavy and solid. So you can see there, I like this finish. It looks really good. It feels heavy and sturdy. And whatever I mount to it should stick and stay. And let me see if there's anything else in here. But if not, you might notice or you might not notice, there's actually holes behind each of these underneath. There's also other holes as well, so you can put additional accessories. So that's why it's really nice whenever you are buying things from IKEA. You could actually build your own, just put things together. So you don't necessarily have to get these legs. You could get different ones as well. So let me go ahead and move things aside and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the legs. And so here are the legs. There's 4 of them. And let's go ahead and take a look at them. And this is probably gonna be the easiest installation that I've ever had to do. All I have to do is just put in these legs and we're good to go. And since the holes are already there, I don't have to drill any holes in the table itself. That would be even more work. So it actually has a thread right there where you could screw this in at the bottom, but there's also something else in here as well. All right, so there is a plate that's gonna go right there, so then you don't actually damage the table itself. Let me see, there should also be some screws. So here's some screws here as well. So that's how you're gonna tighten things. But once again, this should be very simple and there's also some instruction here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the rest of these and then we're gonna get our tabletop and put this on top of it. And then this is also adjustable as well. You can see here. So yeah, so it actually can make it a little bit higher as well. And these are super affordable, but I think they're pretty solid. So this is metal, so that's why I got these. But later on, I could always replace these and use some different type of stands or legs for this table. So let's go ahead and open the rest of these up and get things going. And one thing I want to show you is this is how it looks like it's going to work. So here is the thread. And then you take this part right here, and then all you have to do is just tighten it. And once you do that, you'll have something like this for your legs. And then when you put this on the table where these holes are, here are your screws. Tighten the table and we should be good to go. And as stated earlier, you could actually make adjustments to the height, but I'm gonna see how this looks like with just the default, and then if I need to raise it up, I'll go ahead and adjust. So here we are, the hose lying perfectly, and there are some additional holes as well for different types of legs and stands, but all you have to do is line up the hose. We're going to screw this in and we should be good to go. So let's go ahead and start tightening these screws into the legs. Okay, so this is how things look like. As you can tell, this is really nice. I love the finish of this. This is like a birch type finish. It looks really nice and natural, and at the same time it feels super solid. And in terms of the height, the default, it works really well. I don't think I'm gonna have to lift this up any. And then at the same time, in terms of the actual length, this is 55 1/8, and I think you can get this in a shorter length, but at least for me, this is going to be pretty much perfect for my needs. So now let's go ahead and take apart the old computer desk and put in the new one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my Ulanzi multi-mount and stand on this desk. And so this is why this is so important that I got a real desk, because this is going to be thick and heavy, and I could go ahead and mount this on there and nothing should be falling over like it did before. So let's go ahead and get that in there. All right, so I finally have a real computer desk and YouTube studio setup. I'm absolutely in love with this, and honestly, my biggest regret is that I should have done this earlier instead of sticking with my picnic table for so many years. So that is my view of the Mousekit tabletop and legs, and I gotta tell you, I was really surprised by this, because with an overall package price of less than $150, I really wasn't expecting much, but once I saw the quality, fit and finish, and just overall usability of this tabletop, let's just say I was really happy to finally make the upgrade from my picnic table. And since this is an IKEA tabletop, it's really modular and customizable. You could add different legs, you could add drawers, accessories, other tabletops. You could make it your own, which is something that's really awesome because this gives you a lot of long-term benefits and use. So if you had any thoughts on this or any other tables that you really enjoy using, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get the same setup, I will leave links in the description below as well. So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.